That's my first iPhone, the iPhone XR. Let's do the unboxing. Ooh, it's pink because it's T-Mobile. Ooh, look. Headphones. Plug in by this thingy. Thought they would have been wireless. Nice. What do you think?
Does it just turn on right away?
Yeah. Turned on. That's it. That's the new iPhone. Looks pretty good. It's got like two cameras. Nope, just one big camera. The iPhone XR. Looks good. Now I've had an Android this whole time, so we're gonna see. Hello, how this works. Hola. That's not what we wanted. Nope. Nope, nope. Why is it just going through the languages? Well, that's it. That's the iPhone unboxing. I don't know why it's going through the languages.
Phone that I've had forever.
Yeah, right there. There's your classic. Look at the difference. Yeah, it's a big screen. That's what. There's the S8 Plus, right?
Yeah.
Gosh, you need to get your phone fixed.
You can't even see how bad it is either.
Looks pretty nice. Subscribe. Click that like button, guys. I'm going to post a couple videos. I'm going to compare the camera on this to the S9. And I'm going to do a review of it because I've never had an iPhone. It's my first iPhone. Pretty responsive. Pretty good.